Hello everyone, you're all welcome to ATL classes. So we will begin with Tinkercad. Just type Tinkercad on the Google. This is the simulation software where you will get each and everything free of cost. You can test your circuits here and then you can employ it on hardware. So this is Tinkercad. You can open it using your Gmail account or you can create your own account. And in that we have to go to circuits. So here we will go create a new circuit. So here is our terminal. You will get all the components on the right hand side. So our starting is we start with a breadboard, a small breadboard, and then we need a simple LED, that is PN diode, that conducts current in only one direction. Here is written cathode and here is written anode. Anode is the positive side and cathode is the negative side. We need a resistor. You can change the values of resistors from here. So we will select 440 ohm resistor. Resistor is the element which protects our LED, which controls the current. So now we need a battery. So you can do this all things step by step. So this is negative, which is ground. Take care of color coding. So this is black and this is positive, also known as VCC. So let it make it as red. Okay, so this is a breadboard. These all circuits, these all are vertically connected with each other and horizontally isolated, and the power pins are horizontally connected and vertically isolated. So this is a very simple experiment. So connect the positive part to the positive and negative part to the negative. Okay, so we can start the simulation. See students, this is glowing now. This was a very simple experiment. So you can stop the simulation and start as as well. So next we will be doing this LED blinking with the help of switch and further with the help of Arduino. So let's continue with our experiment and let us glow this LED with the help of switch. So taking a switch element from the right side, just place it here, giving one terminal to the positive supply and the other terminal to the anode of LED. Now what will happen, and when I will start the simulation and press this switch, this LED will glow on. This is a switch, it turns on when it is pressed, otherwise it is remain in off position. So I have started the simulation and you can see when I am pressing this light, the LED glows. So let's continue with our experiment. Now we will blink this LED with the help of Arduino microcontroller. So this is Arduino Uno and this is Admeka 328, the microcontroller, and these all pins are to support this microcontroller. This is the heart of robotics. So we have analog pins A0, A1 to A5, analog such as measuring temperature, and here we have digital pins, 13 digital pins. So let us do the same experiment with the help of Arduino. So here we have a LED. So let us connect our anode to 13 number digital pin and a resistor. You can also do it with breadboard or without breadboard. So here is the small box in which we can write our code. So here we have written, let's do it from the start. So I'll throw this in dustbin. So here are the commands which we can control our LED blinking. So you can see here we do have output pins, which are output, which are input pins, control, math, variables. We will, as we will go further, we will use more of these commands, and then you will learn eventually. So at the start, we can use set built-in LED high. So this 13 number pin is built in LED, and this is here the light is shown. Then from control, let us make it wait for 1 second. Then again go to output, set LED, built-in LED, make high and then low, and then again wait for 1 second. So let's start the simulation. So this LED you can see is glowing after 1 seconds, and let me increase to 2 seconds. Now you can note 1 2 1 2 again 1 2. So you can also use set LED pin number 13 to high or low, but as you know this is built-in LED, so I have used this pin number 13. You can also see this also light, that is inbuilt LED, blinks along with this anode, both at the same time. So let's do this experiment on breadboard. This I will treat it as positive supply, this I will treat as negative supply. Now we need a LED. The longer length is anode and shorter is cathode. So let it place it here. Now with the help of resistor, so the positive part of the LED is connected to the positive part of voltage power supply, and the negative part is connected to ground. So see, the LED starts blinking. So I have inserted a switch between the cathode and ground. So this LED will glow when the switch is pressed. So earlier we performed a blinking on Tinkercad, and now we are doing the same program on Arduino itself. So this LED is blinking for 2 second, 2 second on and 2 second off. So you can change the timing from here. So you can make it 2 second or 3 seconds and do many programs. Just check it, compile the sketch and upload the sketch on Arduino. Done uploading. So now this will be on for 3 seconds and off for 3 seconds as well. 1 2 3 off, 1 2. So this was very basic and simple programs on Tinkercad, on breadboard and Arduino. And thank you all for listening. In future we will do more programs like this. Thank you all.